Going to tell you that how to install VS Code. So what I can do is I will type code.visualstudio.com, and it would open you a page like this. So over here you can see all the details that here, and you can read everything over here. So after that I'm going to download for Windows, and you watching over here, it would start downloading for Windows. So just wait for a second. Okay, so it's just done. Okay, so it's done. Yup. Now I would just press it one time, and after that I would close switch. Okay, so you can read this, accept that command after that, and you could select this icon, every icon. After that it would say you this, and it would say you to install. So you could press the install button and it would start installing. Okay, so it's saying please wait. Okay, so it started. Okay, so it's loading. It's just going to be done. That there are too much files adding over here. Okay, so it's done. You're good. So it's completed, and you would see a launch Visual Studio Code and finish pressed. After that, it would show you a page like this, and inside it, you can install any extension if you wanted. I've installed some, and after that, you would see like, you won't see it like this. You would see an open folder button, so you could select it and choose the folder you want. And now I want this work and select. Okay, so it's selected, and after that all the files would come into this folder, and you could do whatever you want to do with them. So this was what I wanted to tell you today, so bye.